So this company was actually incorporated 60 years ago in 1958 by my grandfather and Mr. Beji Bilamoria. And then his son, my father, Mr. Digant Kapadia, started looking at the company. We basically are into any kind of structures, whether it's residential, commercial, hotels, stadiums, railway stations, things like that, to provide quality buildings in time at the right price. That is the idea. I think the whole project we're proud of because we're doing it for the Maharashtra Police, so we're giving them affordable housing, prices which they will not get if they go to buy an apartment in the open market. The land is 116 acres, out of which we are starting to develop approximately 40 acres of land. The apartments range from 1 BHK to 4 BHK. We have to deliver to them within the next 4 years. Amount of labor required is a big variable. We wanted to avoid that variable and try to bring everything in a factory so we can have quality control, cost control and timeline control. So we have slab beds which are 120, which is a 120 meter long slab bed. There are 3 slab beds which we have. We have for the walls, which are mainly load bearing walls, we have hot shutter, cold shutter as mechanical tilting tables, and we have staircase molds. So basically all of it we want to manufacture in the factory. Went through a lot of companies who were doing precast, and we felt that with their increasing presence in India, Elematic will be able to support us the best in terms of after-sales service, in terms of designing. I think the whole setup wherein the shuttle basically supplies the concrete to the bed, the same shuttle can actually be going to the battery molds. The logistics of that has been worked out very well by Elematic as well as our engineers. So I think that is the best thing which I like. Also the way the cranes were set up with the help of Elematic in order to ensure that the finished product was taken from the factory to the storage yard, the gantry cranes, the wagons, all of that, the whole logistics which has been created so far has been excellent, and I'm very happy with that.
This is about a 5 million square foot residential development comprising of about 60 towers, 15 stories and 5,248 homes in all. We have about 160,000 elements that are going to be produced. And we are using 4 tower cranes, and each tower crane will be handling 3 buildings at a time. So if one building we are installing walls, the other building we are actually doing the steel for the structural topping and the services for the structural topping. And on the third building, we are actually in the process of laying the screed. So we keep moving from one to the other, which optimizes production capacity, which optimizes the team, and which also optimizes the craneage requirement, which is all eventually money. We will be getting a floor cycle of 12 floors in 12 days, which has come true because of precast production, location of the plant on site, and minimizing the crane requirement, and then planning the whole project extremely well. Being with Elematic has been delightful. It's not a vendor that we've kind of gone and bought equipment from. It's actually a partner that holds our hand in every challenge that we face, be it a production challenge, be it an installation challenge, be it, even if we talk about manpower training. So it's been a very delightful association.